Hey guys, what is up? Ready for another video, and today we're focusing on pirates. This is something that I like to play with my swing set. We got the yellow slide, we got some wood chamber, and it's basically it. Right in my hand. And, I just like playing pirates. So, let's be prepared for whatever comes at us next. Lost and take. Okay, let's see. I think we see another ship right over there. Alright, get the cannons ready. Load those cannons. Load those cannons. Just something that I like to play, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Nice. 5, row 4. Row 3, row 2, and row 1. Maybe I'll go play this inside. Tough time. Try to get outside while you can. Today is another beautiful day. So, just living a life. Are the knights. Row 4 on the bow and arrow. Row 3. Let's see. Fireball people. 2. Trident. Row 1. Spearsman. Alright, row 5, go. Row 4, go. Row 3, go. Row 2, go. Row 1, stay. I got the gunsmith! Make the gunsmith! They're shooting at us! Shoot! Fire! Send men over there too! And there's another man over here! None of us know how to swim. So, here's our bear. Hey! Oh! Thing that they have. Hey! That was somebody else who fell. And everybody's falling into the water. Yeah. Swim. Uh-oh. kill them. One. Oh! Oh! But he has one chip. Now, my team's called Ahsoka, orange flag. The other ship. Now, we're at Peter and Genghis. Right now, we're attacking Genghis. Everybody on. They're just escaping. Not looking too good for me. Help me out. One of my teammates. It's looking pretty hard here, boys. Totally looking good. Somebody just fill in. And their team. That was from out there. He got shot. He got we're looking not so good. Got hand grenades. I think freaking luck. I'm lucky for them. I'm out of the shit. I'm out of that shit. And the motors. And the motors. 5 motors. I'm gonna win. The motors count as ships. Oh, motors. but I could find. I don't know what. No. Well then. Fell in. Not looking too good. I'll make other videos where we destroy ships. Okay? Now this one, we're just about to destroy them. Move! I'm gonna hold. We're sinking! They're sinking! They're sinking! They're sinking! Genghis is destroyed. Some people are cities. We're in charge of Soka. Yes, it's the motors. Yes, 3 motors coming. Down goes Genghis. Peter. No, how many? Down goes Peter. Down goes Peter. Hey! Don't forget to smash that like button. Please subscribe and yeah. Oh, and check out the rest of us. We will be making more eventually. Don't worry.